The late South African leader Nelson Mandela once said, "A society that does not value its older people denies its roots and endangers its future. Let us strive to enhance their capacity to support themselves for as long as possible, and when they cannot do so anymore, to care for them." It's a message with renewed significance in this COVID-19 fight. Adults 60 years and older are listed among the most vulnerable to be impacted severely by the novel coronavirus. Protecting them requires deliberate action. The Jamaican government, through the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, has taken lead on this by providing access to medical care, food, and sanitation supplies.
All persons 75 years and older must stay at home. The established studies that have been done around it suggest that the susceptible group, the group that is most affected in a critical way, are our seniors, 65 years and above. They will be allowed to conduct the essentials of life, but under certain restrictions. This is not isolating them, locking them off. This is a little bit of social distancing, but it is not social isolation. All right? Still call them on the phone, go and look for them, carry food, make sure they're all right, keep engaging them. But remember that if you are young and healthy and you get the disease, the probability of you recovering is far greater than the probability of your grandparent or even your parent. And you may not even show symptoms. You may have a slight cold, as I say, and you recover, but you are transmitting. You are still carrying the disease, and you go and you hug up grandma, and poor grandma gets sick, and it was all because of you.
While government implements that policy to keep older adults at home, it is making sure their needs are not neglected. So the local government ministry has set up the Rona Helpline Senior Care Response Initiative. It is designed to aid senior citizens over the age of 70 years old who are in critical need. The ministry is executing the program through the Social Development Commission. The Rona Helpline Senior Care Response Initiative works by establishing contact points for senior citizens. Seniors may call in to the contact points requesting assistance to complete critical services they may need while being indoors. Concierge services being done on behalf of the seniors include filling prescriptions, grocery shopping, and transportation to health facilities for urgent care. The transportation and logistics costs for the critical supplies are free to the seniors. They pay for the cost of the groceries or medications, but not to have it delivered to their doorsteps. There are 16 contact point offices island-wide. The main one is headquartered at the local government ministry, while the other 15 locations are SDC parish offices. These contact points manage and coordinate the island-wide response to the elderly population. Seniors may call in to the contact points with their specific needs from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Officers and volunteers will screen calls to ensure the validity of the requests. The SDC's officers will then mobilize to fulfill the urgent needs of the seniors. In addition, if necessary and based on the assistance required, reliable individuals are dispatched to the home of the elderly person to provide the specific support requested. Beating COVID-19 by providing a senior care response is a priority for the Jamaican government. If you are a senior citizen and you are in need of such assistance, call the Rona Helpline at 876-618-8218, 876-879-8948, or 876-879-8950. You may also call the SDC's parish office in your area. If you did not catch the number for your parish, the contact points numbers are listed on the social media pages of the local government ministry and the SDC.